Trading futures and options involves significant risk and is not suitable for all investors. You should consult with your financial advisor to determine if such trading is appropriate for your financial situation and experience. ITG Capital Management LLC and its affiliates make no guarantees of performance, accuracy, or profit from the use of any trading system, signal, or algorithm, including ITG Quantum AI or any educational strategy. Welcome to ITG Edge training sessions, where we show you how to use the ITG Quantum AI v.203 trading algorithm. In today's example, we'll be testing NASDAQ futures contracts using tick data and the market replay feature inside MotiveWave. Tick data captures every single trade executed in the market, providing the most accurate playback for testing. Combined with market replay, this gives us a powerful tool to simulate live market conditions and evaluate the performance of our algorithm with real precision. The setup for this test is listed in the description, but let's quickly go over the key settings. Trade direction, long and short. Entry order type, market. Entry time, end of bar. Session profit target, $50,000. Session risk limit, $20,000. For optimal results with E-mini contracts, we recommend a risk of $10,000 and a profit target of $20,000. For micro contracts, risk should be around $1,000 with the same $20,000 profit target. Additional buffer, 10 ticks. Profit target per trade, 30 ticks. Maximum open positions, 30. Super trend consistency, required for entry. To filter entry signals more precisely, set ITG signal strength to 70-50-30. The super trend indicator is set to a 3.00 multiplier in 7 periods. All other settings can remain at default. For this test, we'll run the algorithm from 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time through 4 p.m., just before the futures market closes. Let's see how ITG Quantum AI v.203 performs under these optimized conditions. Loudspeaker risk disclosure. Trading futures and algorithmic strategies involve substantial risk and are not suitable for all investors. You may lose more than your initial investment. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. To learn more, visit our official website at www.itgedge.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next session.